be in English, and if you are new here, so please subscribe to my channel Loki Talkie. And I'm in Paris, and the weather is around 16 degree and expecting a few rainfall today. And today is August 29, 2020. And what is the video about today? I'm going to Gare du Nord, which is a place of mini India, you can say, and you can find so many restaurants there. So I'm going to meet my friends there, and we are going to check the food and about the place, ambience, and what are the prices of the food. So I'm going to show this in the video today. And it's extremely windy today, so I set my hairstyle in home, but when I get out of my home, it's completely messed up, and it's difficult for me to set again in front of the camera. You can see my hair is really messed up. Before going out, don't forget to wear a mask, okay? Now it's perfect, so cello, enjoy. And I'm using the Navigo card, so I can recharge every month about for 75 euros. But for the good side, like my company is going to pay half of the transport cost, so it's really good, right? Or if you don't have any Navigo card or a ticket, and you can buy it here, and also you can recharge the Navigo card. So have to catch Nagpur now. So guys, I reached Gare du Nord. As you can see, Gare du Nord is really a big station. Hey guys, meet my friend. This is a Bengali tiger we have here.
Hello.
Prashant. And hey guys, say hello.
Hello.
Subia, come on, hello.
Hi.
So we are going to Sangeeta restaurant, so we'll check the price and the quality of food. Stay tuned. And you can find Sangeeta restaurant right in front of the Gare du Nord bus stop. So this is the Gare du Nord bus stop, and you can find exactly opposite here. It's the Sangeeta. So we are going to have food. I'm going to show the price in Sangeeta restaurant. So here is the menu in front of me. So as you can see the price.
So this is
The pure South Indian restaurant.
you came outside of India or? Yeah. Microsoft Business now.
The price is quite reasonable.
Chutia location also.
Come on, man. So, but we are going to take the mini tiffin. Mini tiffin contains 180 mini masala dosa, pongal, vada, kesari. So it's like a combo offer. So it's 10 euros. It's really cheap. After a long time, I'm going to eat pongal and kesari, vada, and idli.
Okay, wait, yesterday what I did actually.
I ate yesterday dosa, not vada and idli.
So we say that
taste dosa.
it's like if you don't eat rice with your hands, your stomach won't get filled. Won't get satisfaction.
It's really good. After so long, I'm trying. It's a masala dosa.
You also chili basami.
It's really good after so long time, and the price is really reasonable. You can check in here anytime, and for 10 euros, it's really worth. You? And you want to say something about food?
Start to visit. This is the area place.
You really?
It's a very expensive area. It's a very posh area as well.
Pongal.
You are paying like 500 euros.
Not far from
You will be like into kind of apartment.
That area is very good.
Yeah, I take a tram T2 to go
Totally
to
different in
Paris, my mom. And
It's really tasty.
we have two sides of the mall. So to go from one side to another side, we take from this one.
Kesari is really good,
Actually, my office is in La Defense as well.
and it's really reasonable price to get this mini combo tiffin. Only 10 euros. It's really worth. And
From
this is,
that half,
how is the food, man?
you will reach to us.
It's really very tasty.
It's really very tasty. Don't tell the sake for the video. Just tell honestly.
Now you tell them, no, this is good, right?
Okay. So we got one certified customer. He's really happy with the food.
We have just finished eating and then we went to Eiffel Tower to just chill and relax with my friends. You're going to see the glittering Eiffel Tower. Stay tuned.
Hello. Just arrived at Eiffel Tower to just chill. This is glittering Eiffel Tower. Actually, it will glitter every 1 hour for 5 minutes. So you can enjoy the view from far away. So it will be good. So if you go to near, I think it's okay. But if you see from very far, I think it looks beautiful. So we are going to chill here, and there is a park in front of the Eiffel Tower. So you can sit and have a beer or like any drinks. Like if you want, you can bring it from the supermarket, or else you can buy it also here. I told the one beautiful viewpoint like to see the Eiffel Tower. So it's exactly opposite to me. It's called Trocadero. You can take beautiful photos from there. So it's exactly opposite to me. So it's called Trocadero. I don't know whether it's clear or not. So it's like exactly opposite. Like there are like 2 buildings, right? So it's exactly in the middle. And like see some of the crazy people giving pose to the Eiffel Tower. And you can find some of the shops like this. You can buy small Eiffel Tower. It will be around €2 or €3. Depends on the different shop. Like you need to bargain for the cheap price. So we are going near to the Eiffel Tower now. There is a boat restaurant here. Yeah. Let's check. See the glitter, guys. It's really beautiful. But I don't have a very good camera. It's like a starlight. My face is not clear. I should have taken in the very far. It's okay. It's quiet. I'll show the park here, okay? We are just going there. So this is the park. It's exactly opposite to the Eiffel Tower. You can sit there and chill with your friends. You can enjoy and you can have drinks or beer. You can do whatever you want. You can stay till midnight here with seeing Eiffel Tower in front of you. Of course, it's glittering Eiffel Tower. It's way more beautiful. So I'm going to the park and I'm gonna show the view from the park. It's really beautiful and you must see that. The place where I'm standing is Trocadero. I told already the viewpoint. So you can see from here. It's really good. So many people will click photos from here. It's really good, yeah. Hey guys, we have just finished our day today and we really enjoyed a lot in the park and in front of the Eiffel Tower. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to Loki Talkie. Give support, do like, share and comment. So see you guys in next interesting video. So until then, see you, bye bye, take care from Loki.